Take the backrest and the cushion gently out of the box. Remove all the remaining parts from the box. Check if there are any missing or damaged parts according to the included instruction manual. Place the wheelbase upside down on a flat surface and insert the casters. To prevent the casters from coming off, please install them vigorously. Turn the wheelbase right side up. Insert the gas cylinder and slide the cylinder cover onto the base. Be careful with the lubricating oil coated on the cylinder. Remove the screws attached to the bottom of the cushion using the included Allen key. Install the tilt mechanism and make sure the tilt mechanism is installed in the right direction. Tighten all the screws fully. Place the side hole of the guide rail on the outside. Tighten the screws only in halfway. Insert the footrest to check the position of the guide rail. If the footrest can be inserted and pulled out smoothly, tighten all the screws. If the footrest cannot be fully inserted, loosen the screws and adjust the guide rail accordingly. Install the rubber rings to both sides of the footrests. Remove the 4 screws on both sides of the backrest. Lift the assembled cushion and insert the gas cylinder into the socket of the tilt mechanism. Attach the backrest onto the cushion vertically. Tighten one side of the screws only in halfway. Adjust the backrest to the right angle and tighten all the screws fully. Install the bottom 2 reclining mechanism covers to the metal mechanism first, and then the top 2 covers. Install the armrests and tighten all the screws fully. Attach the plastic lids to the screw holes. Install the lumbar support and the headrest and adjust them in a way that fits you the most.